2018 में भी कई हीरोइंस ने अपनी बेहतरीन एक्टिंग से पूरे इंडिया के होश उड़ाए.
So let's see who will win this award and add another feather to their cap.
So can we have the nomination, AV, please?
आलिया भट्ट
वतन के आगे कुछ नहीं,
फॉर राजी.
खुद भी नहीं.
दौड़ के आंगन में एक और लड़ाई होगी जो ना कभी किसी ने देखी ना सुनी.
दीपिका पादुकोण
नाम का गहना पद्मावती ने कभी पहना ही.
फॉर पद्मावत. नीना गुप्ता
ऐसी बातें करो मत.
फॉर बधाई हो.
इन्हीं सब बातों का नतीजा है यो चिटकनी न लगेगी हमसे.
रानी मुखर्जी फॉर हिचकी.
मुझे टूरेट सिंड्रोम है.
10 बार देख चुकी हूँ. अब इस लड़की का भी मर्डर होगा.
तबू फॉर अंधाधुन.
मैं क्या कोई सीरियल किलर हूँ? इसे मार दो, उसे मार दो.
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage Shashank Srivastava, Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, and Vicky Kaushal.
Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. The Nexa IFA Award for Performance in a Leading Role Female goes to I have had the wonderful honor of working with her, Alia Bhatt.
Congratulations.
Every time I receive an award, it just feels very, very overwhelming. I feel extremely grateful, especially now that I've looked at the nomination, AV, to be nominated alongside, actresses that I've admired since the beginning of my career, since before my career. The directors that I work with, Meghna Gulzar, the producers that, give me my job and my check, Apurva, Karan Johar, the actors that I work with, Vicky Kaushal, and everybody on Team Razi. I love my parents and that's it. Thank you.
Congratulations, Alia. Big hand for Alia, ladies and gentlemen. And Vicky Kaushal.
India TV screen पे नजरें गड़ा के रखिए because the biggest performance of the biggest award show is coming in a short while.
लेकिन उसके पहले it's time for the biggest award of the night.
Nexa IFA Award for Best Picture.
अंधाधुन.
तूने मर्डर देखा? मैं कैसे देख सकता हूँ?
मम्मी प्रेग्नेंट है मेरी.
बधाई हो. पद्मावत.
तुम्हारा रिश्ता पाकिस्तान में क्यों हुआ?
राजी.
सिर्फ हम जानते हैं सर.
संजू.
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage Katrina Kaif
and Shamak Dawar.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful time. The Nexa IFA Award for Best Picture goes to Radhi.
Yep.
Good evening, everyone. I'm honored to receive this award on behalf of the entire Jungli team. A big thank you to Meghna Gulzar, Dharma, Alia Bhatt, and Vicky Kaushal. Thank you, IFA.
Razi is the culmination of some tremendous forces coming together. Meghna Gulzar, thank you for giving us this masterpiece, which will always shine in our hearts. Our partners in crime, Jungli Pictures, Mr. Vineet Jain, Preeti Sahani, for coming to us with such an amazing script. The incredible Alia Bhatt, is there anything that you can't do? Vicky Kaushal, the most amazing cast, the amazing crew, and of course, Karan, thank you for making me a part of this wonderful journey.
Congratulations, sirs. Congratulations, Team Razi. A big hand for the wonderful film. Thank you, Katrina. Thank you, Shamal. Thank you so much.
So much, sir. अच्छे आइडियाज ही एंड ऑफ द डे हिट होते हैं, इसलिए आप हिट हो.
हमारी सारी इंडस्ट्री हिट है. It's time for the next IFA award for performance in a supporting role, male, and the nominees are
गुस्से में लिया हुआ डिसीजन हमेशा नुकसान पहुंचाता है. अनिल कपूर
And not getting angry.
for Race 3.
Very angry.
Jim Sar for Padmavat.
आपके पैगाम को ठुकरा दिया है.
Manoj Pahwa for Mulk.
Music.
Pankaj Tripathi
First time देखा तुझे लब हो गया.
for Stree.
Second time में सब हो गया. टाइगर है तू टाइगर.
Vicky Kaushal for Sanju.
And to give away this award, we would like to call upon the stage the beautiful Alia Bhatt and Sudhanshu Watts, Group CEO, Managing Director, Viacom.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Mumbai. How's the Josh, Mumbai?
Good evening, everyone. The Nexa IFA Award for performance in a supporting role, male, goes to the one and only Vicky Kaushal for Sanju.
Person who's really responsible for me standing here is Rajkumar Irani. I want to thank him from the bottom of my heart for believing in me. Abhijat Joshi, जिन्होंने वो खूबसूरत लाइनें लिखी और he's the soul of the film. Ranbir Kapoor, for being the most fabulous co-actor, for being the most amazing human being that he is. Thank you so much, Ranbir. For each and every cast and crew member of Sanju for making it so special for me. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Wizcraft. This stage is very special to me since 2016 when I won the Best Debut Award. And as a kid also, there's never been a year that I've missed IFA, watching it on my TV set. And today, to be standing here, performing on this stage, receiving an IFA award just means the world to me. Thank you so much. This goes to my source of inspiration, my dad, my mom. आज सॉरी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रहा हूँ मैं.
अरे यार कमाल है.
ये मेरे लिए और भी स्पेशल है क्योंकि आज when I was leaving home to come here, आज my dad told me, you know, this is the first time. मैं इसीलिए नहीं आऊँगा. My dad is an action director in films, and he said कि मैं इसलिए नहीं आ रहा because मैं nominated हूँ. मैं इसीलिए आ रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा बेटा nominated है और उसके देखने में आ रहा हूँ. So ये मेरे लिए बहुत special है. Thank you. And goes out to my brother Sunny and to everyone out here who supported me, supported my work, my films. I am because of you. I am here for you, and I will keep serving you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
भाई तू घपा घप अवार्ड लेते जा और कमली के नाम से मैं भी जानता हूँ कमली हो गई तेरे बिना आजा.
Hi, hi.
Thank you, my bro.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
A big hand for Vicky Kaushal, ladies and gentlemen. राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार विजेता. शुक्रिया. How's the Josh? Thank you, Alia. Thank you, sir.